A new storm in the world of AI. Is DeepSeek AI the technology that will surpass ChatGPT? Is it really as powerful as claimed? If you're an AI enthusiast, watch this video till the end, because today we will do a complete analysis of DeepSeek AI. Every day, something new is emerging in the world of AI. First, ChatGPT amazed everyone, then Google Bard and other models arrived, and now DeepSeek AI has entered the field. What is this AI? How does it work? And can it really be better than ChatGPT? Let's find out in detail. What is DeepSeek AI? DeepSeek AI is an advanced language-based model designed similarly to OpenAI's ChatGPT, but with some unique features. It is a Chinese AI model aimed at providing better, faster, and more intelligent AI services. How does it work? DeepSeek AI is based on machine learning and neural networks, trained on large data sets. Its algorithm is designed to better understand language and provide more natural responses. It also includes multimodal support, meaning it can process data in formats beyond just text. Comparison between ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI. Now the question is, can DeepSeek AI outperform ChatGPT? Let's compare some key aspects. Language understanding. ChatGPT performs well in multiple languages, while DeepSeek AI is currently more focused on Chinese and English. Speed and accuracy. DeepSeek AI is faster and has better search engine integration, helping it retrieve real-time information more efficiently. Content generation. ChatGPT is considered stronger in creative content, whereas DeepSeek AI delivers better results in coding and technical tasks. Features of DeepSeek AI. Now let's look at some outstanding features that make DeepSeek AI unique. Real-time data fetching. Unlike ChatGPT, it has the ability to fetch data directly from the internet. Better search integration. Works more efficiently with Google and other search engines. Coding support. Provides better and more effective responses in Python, Java, and other programming languages. Multimodal support. Can process not just text, but also images and other media formats. Can it surpass ChatGPT? This is a very interesting question. ChatGPT is already in a strong position, has a massive user base, and OpenAI continuously improves it. But DeepSeek AI's algorithm is evolving rapidly, and if it adds more languages and new features, it could certainly become a major challenge. Which AI is better for you? If you're a general user looking for creative content, general inquiries, or casual chat, then ChatGPT is a better choice. But if you need assistance with technical questions, research, or coding, then DeepSeek AI could prove to be more useful. So friends, this was our complete analytical video about DeepSeek AI. What do you think? Can it surpass ChatGPT in the future? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.